Want to create viral videos, amazing effects, and AI-generated content without expensive software? Let me show you Runway ML. Step 1. Go to Runway ML's website and create a free account. You'll see a dashboard with tons of AI tools for video, images, and special effects. Runway ML offers background removal, motion tracking, text-to-video, green screen, style transfer, and more. Pick the tool that fits your project. Step 2. Instead of uploading a video, you can use a text prompt to generate content directly. For example, type your prompt like a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars, cinematic style, and Runway ML will create the video for you automatically. You can adjust style, colors, and camera angles to perfect it. Step 3. Once satisfied, export your AI-generated video in high quality and share it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or wherever you want. That's it. Runway ML makes content creation fast and fun using just your ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tutorials in 2025.